Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Acclimatization to the high altitude. So what happens when there is high altitude? So in terms of high altitude, there is a decrease in the pressure of the atmosphere as well as decrease in the alveolar PCO2. So the alveolar PO2 it decreases. Now furthermore, what does it have a role in the following findings? That is in terms of ventilation. This will have an increase in the alveolar ventilation. So alveolar ventilation is increased. Then looking at the arterial blood. To watch the full video, please click on the link below and it will redirect you to the main video.